Ugh. What a nice day. I just gotta wake up. Where's ScanMan Jr.?
I'm here again. I tricked you. I got up before you again. You sleeping so late. Haha.
Whatever. Come on, let's go. Go say hi. Oh, hi, Jack. What's up?
Oh.
I'm gonna go check the mailbox for you. I'll be right back. Okay. Ooh, a letter. Taxes 1,500 butt coins. Says for Jack. Okay. What is? It's probably nothing.
I think that looks like your old house.
That does, but I'll worry about that later. Hey, Jack, got this letter in the mail for 1,500 butt coins. It's for you.
I'll be in my room if you need me. I just gotta type in document thingy.
Okay. ScanMan Jr., what do you want to do?
Sign this.
I'm just sleeping. I woke up really early today.
Okay. You can just sleep while I do this. I'm gonna make myself...
Done with the taxes. I'm gonna warm up by the heat.
I'm gonna make myself some fries, actually.
I'm just turning up the heaters. Alright, I turned up the heaters. Alright.
Bro, I love fries.
Where's my dog? Where's my dog? He's probably rummaging upstairs again.
By the way, what's your dog's name?
It's Garfield.
Garfield. Cool name.
I finished sleeping. I'm back.
Is that a mouse?
Oh, what is that? That's a rat. That's a rat.
Oh my god, I have
rat.
like a phobia of rats. That's like a whole thing for me. I have like a phobia of rats.
It's just sitting in a corner. I think it's gone.
Is its name Richard?
I just saw it squeeze through a little hole in my wall. Whatever.
That's not
Garfield,
good.
Garfield usually hangs out like back there on the bed. I'm gonna go see if I can find it.
Why is there a bed up here anyway?
I don't know. It's just extras in case I need
Was this here when you
He's
got the
probably in this
house?
corner. Yeah. Oh, he's sitting in this
Weird.
corner.
Oh,
Here
hi
he
Garfield.
is.
I really need to
sitting
get
in the
myself a cat or something. Anyway.
Don't ask why I named a dog Garfield. It was the first thing that came to mind. Alright, Garfield, let's get you some breakfast. Here's some dog treats. Alright, I'm gonna turn up the thermostat.
Hey, I wanted to show you something that maybe we could check out soon.
What? The pet shop?
Oh, you know about this? Yeah, the pet shop. It just
yeah.
opened. Is this my house?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they really just left it out here. Yeah, this is my door. I was like the only one in the town that had a red door. Yeah, this is my computer. I bet I can type in the... Oh, no, it's broken. I can't type in the password. Why are you so red?
I figured out that dog treats are not good for yeeps.
Oh, okay.
I kinda was a bit hungry. Alright,
Well,
check
I'll
that out
consider
tomorrow.
about doing this. Wait, do you hear a
we'll check it
noise?
out
I
tomorrow.
swear I heard a noise coming from the basement or the attic. I mean, well, I swear I heard a noise up here. It better not be those rats again.
Those probably the rats.